We made it in not record time, but we made it, and pretty sure Grant has to poop because I think he's been farting the last half hour, so I'm gonna go take him potty, get the rest of the stuff in, and get settled down for tonight. Get ready to get on the trail tomorrow. Also, you know you're paranoid of hitting a deer when you start seeing these little flashes along the road as the sun goes down, and you think it's deer eyes, and then you realize that it's fireflies. That happened. Along with seeing some ridiculously large drones going over the freeway or highway or whatever. So I know you've got to go potty. All right, I'm gonna go to bed. There you go, buddy. Well, good morning. Oh, that's bright. Grant had a lovely night's sleep. Sorry, haven't had coffee. First night hotel. How about you? Did you do good? You were such a good boy. Little nervous, but good boy. Did some work this morning. Got everything in my pack. Repacked it. But check out this sweet executive desk. How nice is that? Not the Ritz-Carlton, the red roof, but served its purpose. Big clean bed, bathroom, workspace, reliable internet. So I have to run by and get some tent stakes and meet up with Dad and get to the trailhead because it's about time.
Missing salmon.
I did too. We should maybe coordinate our meals so we don't have double of the same stuff.
You gotta talk to Ruth about buying your genetics.
Our what?
Will said something about genetics, and Ruth's like, you gotta see these two.
We're a little alike. Alright, just to give an idea of where we're starting, Elk Garden parking lot. And we've got to go through the cattle field and head towards the mountains. Look at the little one in the back. Alright, Grant's already chilling. Made it to the campsite by wife's shelter, Dad's tent site, my tent site. Go ahead and get it set up.
Getting a pole tent?
Yeah, getting a pole tent. That one's just excessive. It's good, it's fine. It's not like super heavy, but it's just too heavy.
I haven't been doing anything other than riding the bike this week.
This
And
is
I don't feel that bad.
genetically predisposed to be homeless.
Still can't untangle your stupid light.
Doing good.
We got wipes. Just once we get back to the car.
They're just 10 miles that way. All right, so what was your favorite part of this trip?
Give me a minute to think.
It's been a minute.
The best part was the hike from
Elk Garden.
Elk Garden to the campsite, up through them rocks,
I agree.
and seeing the campsite, that one campsite that's,
One.
well, that one that's on that
The area.
plateau,
Yeah.
and your sight's grassy behind, and looks out at the mountains. There's nothing else there.